Turkey's Bunker Imprint wins 2024 Honda Customs competition. The 2024 Honda Customs competition crowned Turkey's Bunker Imprint as its winner, marking the 5th edition of the event. This year's competition was the largest to date, featuring 16 custom motorcycles from 9 European countries. These bikes were displayed online at www.hondacustoms.com and in person at the Wheels and Waves Festival in Biarritz, France. The focus of the 2024 competition was on Honda's CL500 and CL250 models, both of which are recognized for their scrambler-style design and customization potential. The competition theme, Express Yourself, encouraged participants to explore their creativity, leading to some truly unique designs. The Bunker Imprint, a modern Café racer interpretation of the CL250, emerged as the top contender, securing 37% of the total vote. Created by Bunker Custom Cycles, at Bunker Custom Cycles, the bike features a variety of custom components, including a 3D printed half fairing made from glass fiber reinforced nylon FDM, bespoke side panels, a new tail, and a redesigned seat. Bunker Imprint's victory places them among previous winners, such as Portugal's Art on Wheels, Italy's Motocicli Odyssey, and Switzerland's Brevimo Motos. Other top competitors, Ocean's Track and CL Surfer. France's Ocean's Track, a custom CL500 built by Océan Motos, at Océan_Motos_Officiel, came in second place, receiving 20% of the vote. The design introduced a blend of American flat track and stunt bike styles, featuring a vibrant red frame, gold wheels, wide handlebars, and a solo seat unit. The bike's eye-catching appearance stood out in the competition, gaining significant attention throughout the voting process. In third place was Germany's CL Surfer, a custom bike designed by Honda's flagship dealership in Frankfurt, at habamotor_. This creation drew inspiration from the beaches and surf culture of Biarritz, with a sleek metallic silver fuel tank, front and rear mudguards, clip-on handlebars, and a new exhaust. The relaxed, beach-inspired design made it a fitting entry for the competition, which took place during the Wheels and Waves Festival, an event known for celebrating both motorcycles and surfing culture. Other notable entries: Alpina 500 and Enduro 500. The competition's top 5 also included Switzerland's Alpina 500 and Spain's Enduro 500. The Alpina 500, created by Meister Engineering, at Meister Engineering, celebrated Honda Switzerland's 50th anniversary. This design referenced classic Honda motorcycles, incorporating features such as a CB-style fuel tank, a stripped subframe, and a minimalist bench seat. Meanwhile, the Enduro 500, built by Stillmoto, at Stillmoto Honda, from Spain, embodied the scrambler spirit of the CL series. With high-mounted mudguards, a mesh headlight cover, bespoke number boards, and a custom aero exhaust, the Enduro 500 was designed to evoke nostalgia for the golden era of motorcycles. Growing interest in motorcycle customization. The 2024 Honda Customs competition demonstrated the growing popularity of motorcycle customization, particularly in Turkey, where the motorcycle market has experienced rapid growth. In 2023, the Turkish market saw sales reach over 530,000 units, a significant increase from the previous year's 190,000 units. This exponential growth highlights the increasing demand for motorcycles and scooters in the country, making Turkey an emerging hub for motorcycle culture. Çetin Kards, head of motorcycles at Honda Turkey, expressed his excitement over the victory, noting that the project reflects Honda Turkey's vision of fostering a healthy and unique motorcycle culture. Kards emphasized the company's commitment to expanding the motorcycle world in Turkey and thanked all colleagues who contributed to the project's success. A growing platform for creativity. This year's Honda Customs competition built on the success of previous editions, with a notable 18% increase in participation compared to 2023. Over 25,500 votes were cast on HondaCustoms.com, and nearly 7,000 custom wallpapers of the competing bikes were downloaded. The competition continues to offer a platform for motorcycle enthusiasts, professional customizers, and the public to showcase their creativity and individuality through the CL series. Each year, the diversity in color schemes, design elements, and aesthetics among the competing bikes highlights the versatility of the Honda CL500 and CL250 as base models for customization. For those who missed the competition, the custom motorcycles are still available to view on the Honda Customs website, which is accessible in multiple languages, including English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. Visitors to the site can continue to download wallpapers of their favorite bikes and share their top picks on social media, further expanding the reach of this creative event.